Hello everybody and welcome back to Ace of Arc. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we can use a SketchUp model and AI to create a realistic and perfect rendering. So if you haven't already realized, AI bots like ChatGPT and other AI software has been taking over the internet. How can we use this in architecture to be a positive and not a negative? So let's jump right into it. I'm going to create a model here in SketchUp and fast forward. If you're new to SketchUp and don't know how to build a model, please check out my other videos and I'll walk you step by step on how to build a model. So while I build this model, I'm going to quickly discuss with you guys, do you think it's wrong to use AI to do renderings for a model? My personal opinion on it is that if you create the model and the design yourself and then render it just through ChatGPT or a different AI software, I think it's fine because it's your design and you're telling the bot what to do. Now, we have to accept the fact that AI is here now and it's not going anywhere, so we might as well use it to all of the advantages it offers. On the other hand, I think it is wrong if you simply type a prompt and let the chat do a whole house for you and claim it is your own work. But if we're just using it for simple things like rendering, why not use it? It's a helpful tool in this industry. Alright, so we got our model here that we're going to AI render. Now, obviously, it's not a perfect model. I made it in 2 minutes, and it looks a little bit rough around the edges. But we're going to simply take a screenshot of it on our computer. Before we take the screenshot, there's a couple simple things you can do so you don't confuse the AI generator. All we're going to do is we're going to go up to our View tab and hide our axis lines, just so they're not appearing. I'm also quickly going to add a pathway and just some grass so that the AI bot knows where I want the pathway and the grass and doesn't get it mixed up. So I'm simply just going to draw this as our pathway and then do a large square over our whole model and make that grass. Alright, so this is my model that I'm going to use my AI rendering. Super simple, and I'm just going to show you what my screenshot looks like. So this is the screenshot that I'm going to be using my AI bot to render. So now we're simply just going to go to Google and we're going to type in ChatGPT. And you'll have no problem finding it, and it will be your first link right here. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add your photo first by clicking the plus sign on the left side. Once you've done that, you want to create a prompt. Now I'm just going to do something random here. You can copy mine or you can create your own. You want to be descriptive, but not overkill. You don't want to kill it. You want to let the AI bot be able to be creative and make something cool. So here's the prompt I'm using. If you want to pause this video and copy it down, go for it. And if not, I'll show you what the ChatGPT is going to do. So we have our prompt, we have our photo loaded. Now all we simply do is click the arrow going up and let ChatGPT do its thing. Now be patient. When it's creating a photo, it might take a little bit of time. So now we just let our bots do its thing, and soon you'll have a rendering. Here we go. So obviously, if you look at this rendering, it's a little bit different than what we had created in SketchUp, just with that middle roof line. But this is a very close to what we just did. This is creating a rendering in record amount of time compared to what it used to take to make a realistic rendering. This is also very helpful for the early stages of a project when you're doing schematic design. And the best part is it's completely free. You can also change the prompt if you want something more a little unrealistic or as if it was drawn, like shown on screen here. Now obviously AI is still relatively new and it's going to make its own mistakes, but it is a super helpful tool when trying to get a realistic rendering. You can also play around with the prompts, change anything you want, or add any different model into this. Now I hope this video was helpful for you. Please check out my other videos for other SketchUp tutorials, and like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions and I'll be sure to get back to you. Have a great day.